Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find about phone. Now we have to find the build number, which is right here, and all you have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, just like now. Now we can go back and we have to find the developer options. Let's check the accessibility, maybe here, and as you can see, after entering the accessibility and scrolling down, you can see the developer options. So let's enter, and here we've got quite a lot of settings, additional settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, show the pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and so on and so on, so you can personalize them. And in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off in the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher right here. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive, so you cannot customize them. And after getting back and probably turning off the settings completely, the developer options should disappear. But of course, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping then. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.